Hey guys, welcome back to a new video, and in this video you're gonna see the overview of our website called Hackthissite, where we will do our ethical hacking and penetration testing stuff. And I also suppose no one has ever registered or done any mission over there. So without further ado, let's begin. Open your any browser like Firefox, Google Chrome, anything, and type google.com. After that, you can type Hackthissite in your search bar, and here in the first URL, click on that. Okay, this site will pop up like this, or the page will print like this. And now you can do is, as you can see here in register option, you can click on here for registration. Okay, now you can give a username. I will give here as a Cybersploit, and your password. And remember, your password must be strong. Like I can say the restriction over there, like the password must be 16 character long, the uppercase and the special characters you can see here. So you have to manage your password like this, so that you also manage to remember your password, so you didn't forget that. Okay, now choose your security questions. Let's scroll down here. I will give anything. And now give your email address. The confirmation code will come in your email address, so make sure you give your genuine email address. Give your confirmation email address. I think the font is too small. Okay, @gmail.com. Now click here and here, image validation. You just have to type the image or what you can see below here in the image. That's it. After you do that, click on register, and if you want you can save. If you not, you can say don't save. Okay, it's saying congratulations, your ID has successfully done. Now you can check your confirmation code in your Gmail address. Okay, I have confirm my email address. Now I can log in to my account, and I will wait for a while so you can follow with my step. Okay, I give my username and my password, and I try to log in. That is not available. Okay, let me refresh the thing. Okay, log in again. Okay, now we have successful login, as you can see here, saying hello Cybersploit. So and with the mission we're going to doing our basic mission. So that's it guys. If you love the video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and keep watching till the next video. Peace.